So when it comes to hardops, if you press Q and go under settings, the about button will display some information on screen letting you know the version that you're using, the authors who are currently working on hardops, the exact version number for letting us know for diagnostics reasons, as well as letting you know if your version is current. Right now I have a fade time of about 10 seconds, so it isn't staying up for the longest amount of time. But the most important part is using about to let you know that your version is current. By looking at this, you can find out very quickly if your version of hardops is out of date or you're needing an update. Another way to find out is by going into the prefs. It'll actually let you know at the very top of your prefs, no matter what panel that you're in, if your hardops is actually up to date. Another way is if we get out of full screen mode, we click on the button here for hardops, and whenever it comes down, the green button will show if hardops is actually current, and it'll show a bunch of icons for your market if it's out of date. So by clicking this, just by seeing current version, you can know that your current version of hardops is actually up to date. And you can always find out your version just by hovering over the active tool icon. It'll display the tool that you're using, the version number, as well as some details on what exact version it is, just in case you're needing to take a screen cap and send it to us for diagnostics purposes, similar to what I'm doing right here.